Hey party people, what's going on? This is Dillinger. How are you? Welcome to today's video. So today's video is something a little bit different. So this is what I'm calling a channel chat and check-in. So it's been about 6 months or so. I cannot believe how fast the time has gone since I've posted, and we've got some new subscribers. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. It's awesome to have you here. And if you're somebody who's been rocking with me for a minute, then you know I do videos. And so basically what I want to do with this video is very chatty. So please grab a cup of coffee or tea or the beverage of your choice, because I'm gonna have something. Excuse me. I've got a lot of new things that are planned for the channel, and I just want to be able to share those with you so you know what to expect. So, and I've got my phone, because I had to make a list. Because girl, I am not as young as I used to be, and I be forgetting. I forget. So anyway, I just want to catch you up on all the different things that have been going on. So the first thing is that I have to announce that it's been about 4 years since I've had this channel, since I first posted. And I just cannot get over how fast the time has gone. And again, thank you for everybody who's been rocking with me and people who've been around since the beginning. I love and I appreciate you so much. The second thing that I want to talk about, actually there's a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm not going to put them in numbers, but so a couple things that I want to mention. Things that I wanted to tell you is that these videos for me are very challenging, because they take a lot of time and energy for me to put together, produce, film, edit, do the artwork, and all the stuff that goes along with it. And for that reason, it takes me longer to post videos. So for 2020, I want to try a new strategy. So I'm going to try posting more frequently, but smaller content videos. So instead of doing like these really big ones that I've done, like if you've found my channel from me doing the Stella McCartney bag, there was about 5 videos or so that I posted with that, and I call that my long form content. So I'm going to be scaling back and not doing those as much as I've done before, and I'm going to try to stick to some shorter content videos. So I want to announce that. I also want to try to post more often. So for those of you, it can be kind of hard to figure out, well, when is she posting? Is she going to post? I don't know when she posts. It's been a couple of months. When is she coming back? I want to try to get into a more frequent schedule. So I'm gonna give it a couple months and see how it goes, to see if I can stick to it. But what I want to do is I want to post the first Friday and the tell you, let me just look at my thing here. Hold please. Projects that you probably, now you know what I mean, like I have a lot of really big ideas, right? I have a lot of big ideas, and I can't always get everything done, but I did make a list. See, made a list of the different things that I want to try to tackle. So influencers, and I try to pick out things that I've seen that I really love and I think are easy to make, and then I demo those here on the channel. A lot of things that are trending. So I'm constantly watching celebrities and bloggers, and there are people that I follow, influencers. I'm also going to do a leather tote. Yeah, like leather channel, leather tote. Of course we would do a leather tote. So I'm definitely going to bring you that. So stay tuned for that. The really big news, the big news. So there's going to be a product launch. So I'm coming out with my own product. I've done a little bit so far, but not a lot. But I've got another huge project, or I've got a huge project that I'm going to launch about this summer. So please do make sure that you check in for that and see what I am up to. I've been, working on this for a while. And hopefully it'll be exciting and amazing, and it'll be something that you will enjoy. Mention that. Oh, a new series. I have a new series planned, and it's called Thrift Flipped Accessories Edition. And so if you're someone who does a lot of thrifting, so say you go to secondhand stores, thrift stores, flea market, just any place that you can get used clothes, you can also often find accessories. So for my channel, again, keeping with the format of what I do, I'm also going to start doing some thrift flipping. Yeah. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And the different things that I want to try to tackle. So I'm going to do a lot with denim. So there'll be probably like 3 or 4 projects that I'll do with denim. I definitely want to do something with a hat, and so if you have rocked with me when I did a beret, I'm going to bring that one again and give you another modification. So I'm going to do that. Push on military. So what I see coming, this is again one of the trends that I'm following, is do you remember the movie Top Gun? So Maverick, so it's called Top Gun Maverick. So Tom Cruise is going to come out with another movie called Maverick sometime in June. And so I want to do a video tying into, like flight, aviator, whatever. I'm still quite not sure exactly what I'm going to do. But please, please, please stay tuned for that. That should be exciting. And that is also going to be a thrift flip. So anyway. So in terms of the channel, I just want to say more engagement. I'm going to be more engaged, so I certainly hope that you will be more engaged and you will tell a fellow craft queen or craft king about my channel and have them come and subscribe so that they can stay up with us and the DIY party that we are throwing here and having a great time. Anyway, I think that's it. Thank you so much for checking in, and thank you for rocking with me. Let's just get started for 2020. I'm so excited to be engaged again. All right, so make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm posting. This is how you do it. Okay, so that's how you click the notification bell so that whenever I post, YouTube will let you know that I've posted. And that's it. I wish you bag success, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.